Well, the first point about discipline, I think to me, it's really important. And discipline again comes back to purpose. Now, I know my purpose is, I know my purpose is to help people, and to help people, I need to be the best version of myself all the time. And to be the best version of myself all the time, I need to be disciplined. Disciplined in looking after myself physically, mentally, and spiritually, because I'm no good to anyone if I'm not running well. And so discipline means, again, it's, if I know that that's what I'm meant to do, and discipline is saying no to a lot of things. It's making sure that I have a good routine that I stick to, and if things come my way and it's going to shake that routine a bit, I have to say no. I guess when it comes to discipline, like physical exercise is really important to me. Most mornings I go for a jog. Most weekends I do a bit of a longer run, and there's times when things come and try and can shake that routine a bit, and I need to make sure if I adjust, and if I can't adjust, I have to say no, because that's what it's my habit, and I know that that's what's going to help me be at my best. So discipline. And once you start getting disciplined and start doing it, I find that my body gets into a bit of muscle memory, and it just keeps doing it. And that muscle memory is kind of what your habits are.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.